All right, I got like 40 something percent, so we're okay for a little bit. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do is get a bolt off, spin the drive shaft, pull the e-brake, do that again. That's how it's gonna be. Okay, need more juice. These are tight. Yeah, I don't quite have enough movement, so one sec. Oh. Then what we do is we rotate the drive shaft. Okay. Pull the e-brake. Throw our light. And then same thing. Yank that e-brake like we're in Tokyo Drift. Come on, don't do this to me right now. This one's tight. And we're stripping it. We need to get on it. Well, we're stripping the shit out of that one, so I need to be careful. At least drive shaft bolts are easy to get. Come here. Okay. This should help. Yep, that helped. Put that right there. We still have to grab one. There we go. Got it. Okay, get our light out of here. Axel something, Fairfield, New Jersey? Huh. Yeah, this thing just came off the flange. Guess not. That's right, we should mark it. There, it's marked. Shouldn't have done that, but we did it anyway. This is just in case. And yep, some did. We had some good thinking there. Yep. Okay, getting you guys out of here. Come on. Okay. What this says is axle exchange. And it says also up here, it says Sunax. So, cool. A nice, like what, 4-inch drive shaft, aluminum. Put him right there for now. I was trying to get those to stop, but they don't want to. My nose is on fire today again. It's great. By that, I mean it's not. I need to blow my nose real bad. Here, start the car. Stare at the car for a second. Keep staring. There you go. Keep staring. Keep staring at it. Okay. Actually, you know what? Since I'm gonna talk for a little bit, give myself a break for a moment. There, so you guys can have a look. Got a half-empty engine bay. Okay, so sorry, let me adjust it a little bit. Yeah, I guess it's good enough. Okay. I don't really feel like standing in front of the camera. I'm a mess. I know my back's like probably real bad. So I'm rolling around sometimes without the goddamn moving mats. Can't think right now. But have a little bit of a protein shake, but so what's left? You guys are asking about, because you're probably wondering what's left now. Pull the front wheels off, undo the motor mounts, undo the transmission mount, and then yank it. So this is sort of right now the point of no return. You know, once I pull the hood off, I need to pull everything out. I can put the hood back on, obviously, if it starts to rain, but that's sort of the issue, I guess, that I'm at right now, is that if I start yanking it out, I have limited time. I think it's about 3 right now. This is supposed to start around 6. So I'm sort of contemplating, you know, do I want to pull it out right now? Do I not? I have a little break real quick. It's like, I know I can get it out, but I might have to put the car back, let it roll a little bit backwards. Because I do have a cherry picker. I figure cherry picker's gonna have to come up right up to here. I'll probably put some bolts in here, up here in the intake manifold. Here, I'll show you. Up where the intake manifold sits, there are like some bolts right there, as you can see. Sorry, bolt holes right there, that I'm probably gonna use. I used those before on my Cobra, on my other Cobra, my black one. It worked fine. There's a lot of meat right there, so I'm not really worried about stripping out, and I had it hold it up for quite a while on mine. So that's what I'm thinking we do. Get the harness and move the harness out of the way. What else? Yeah, like I said, transmission mount. And then I'm gonna pull the engine and then transmission out all out at once. Easiest to do it that way instead of separating them right there. You could, but Jesus, it makes life harder. And I mean, there's no long tubes on this thing, so it's gonna be easy to come out the top. Or easier than, I should say, than my black one. So yeah, it's like hood off, and then hook the cherry picker up, undo the mounts for everything, and then yank it out. Yeah, the thing is, we're right here on my driveway, so I'm not sure, 100% sure if it's gonna make it. Because I'm gonna have to put the cherry picker right here, and then it's gonna have to hoist pretty far up and out because I have the transmission with it. I do have a low leveler. I'm gonna have to lift it like this and out, and I'm thinking it might hit right here if I don't move the car back a little bit. The car needs to go back probably another foot. I think with another foot, it'll work pretty good. All the accessories for the water pumps coming out. yeah, once we get it out, separate the transmission from the engine, and then we start tearing the engine down. So we're getting there. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to do it today. I don't have a lot of battery to record for you guys. And this is sort of, you know, the big moment where it comes out. And do I think I can get out in 3 hours? Like, yeah. But at the same time, I don't want to get caught in the rain. That's the thing. Everything in here get wet. I saw the predicament. That, and I don't have much battery left. I think I got 42%. Someone texted me something. Oh, my dad's his house being built. Okay. Yes, that's the only thing that I'm because I'd hate for this thing to cut halfway through the engine being pulled when you guys miss it, because that would suck. That's sort of the big moment that wouldn't catch on here of like, oh yeah, it's all coming out. Maybe what I'll do is, you guys don't need to see the mounts getting undone. So what I'll do is let me cut right here. And then what I'll do is I'll get all the mounts out. I'll get the hood off. And then from there, I will kick this back on when we're about to pull the engine out so you guys can see. I think that's what we're going to do. I think that'll be the best for you guys, because you guys don't need to see the mounts coming off. Even though I do kind of want to show everything, I think at this point, engine out is a little more important. So yeah, let me cut and give me like, well, it'll be instant for you guys, but it's probably gonna be like 40 minutes. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna cut right here and get going.